The cabin air filter in a 2018-2021 Jeep Compass is located behind the glove box on the passenger side. To access it, first, ensure the vehicle is parked and cool. Open the glove box and detach the stop pin, which is usually a metal rod or plastic clip that limits the glove box's range of motion. Gently lower the glove box to expose the access panel for the cabin air filter. Unclip or unscrew this panel to reveal the filter housing. Finally, carefully slide out the old cabin air filter, noting the direction of airflow indicated by the arrows on the filter's side. This is crucial for installing the new filter correctly. Take your new cabin air filter, ensuring it's compatible with your Jeep Compass, using the Mopar part number 6815543AA or equivalent. Align the airflow direction arrows on the new filter with the direction you noted during removal. Gently slide the new filter into the housing until it's fully seated. Reattach the access panel, securing it with the clips or screws. Lift the glove box back into position and reattach the stop pin. Ensure the glove box opens and closes smoothly. Consider vacuuming the filter housing before installing the new filter for a cleaner environment. Changing the cabin air filter proactively ensures better air quality, HVAC efficiency, and helps to prevent musty odors.